India is no stranger to the topic of women's safety. Whether it's at home, in public spaces, at work, or even online, it seems we have all collectively agreed that women need to, well, watch their back a lot. But despite policies and initiatives, the reality remains as alarming as ever. According to the National Crime Records Bureau, over 4.2 lakh cases of crimes against women were reported in India in 2022, marking an alarming rise in incidents compared to previous years. The National Family Health Survey revealed that 1 in 3 women aged between 15 to 49 in India have experienced physical violence since the age of 15. Moreover, a survey conducted by the UN in India found that 81% of women feel unsafe while commuting alone after dark, with Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and other major cities experiencing high numbers of harassment cases. Yeah, you heard that right. 81%. Which means if you are in a room with 5 women, 4 are probably calculating the safest route home as we speak. So what's the solution? Should women just walk around with superhero gadgets and night vision goggles? Well, sort of, but in a more tech-savvy way. To combat these issues, technology has become a vital tool in enhancing women's safety, especially in a vast country like India, where immediate assistance might not always be accessible. Several India-specific applications have been developed to provide prompt support in distress situations. One such app is Himmat Plus. Launched by the Delhi police with more than 50,000 downloads, this app allows women to set SOS signals to the police with real-time location tracking. Approximately 65% of registered users have actively used the app's SOS feature at least once, with 30% using the video recording feature for evidence collection. Delhi police reported that the app's real-time location tracking has improved emergency response times by up to 25%. In specific cases of distress, response units were able to reach the location 5 to 7 minutes faster on average due to the app's precise location sharing capability. Another very famous app, Safety Pin. With over 1 lakh downloads, this Indian origin location-based app provides safety scores for different areas based on factors like street lighting, crowd density, and public transport availability. It helps women identify safe routes and avoid high-risk areas. Safety Pin safety scores have been used in city planning by local municipalities like Delhi, Gurgaon, and Bangalore. Studies indicate that areas identified as high risk by safety pins saw a 20% increase in lighting and police patrols, contributing to a 15% decrease in reported incidents in those regions. Furthermore, 60% of users reported that the app helped them choose safer routes when commuting. Beyond mobile apps, AI-driven surveillance systems are now being used in public spaces in India. For example, Hyderabad's Command and Control Center employs AI-enabled cameras for facial recognition and behavior analysis, identifying potential threats in real time. Additionally, smart wearables like the Safer Smart Jewelry developed by Indian startups come with concealed panic buttons that can alert emergency contacts discreetly. Features like live location sharing, discrete SOS alerts, and AI-monitored public spaces offer an added layer of security, especially in metro cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, etc. But here's the thing, the tech only works if people actually use it. And that's where the real problem lies. Despite the availability of multiple apps and safety tools, only a fraction of the population knows how to use them effectively. Awareness is crucial. Hence, various state governments and non-profit organizations are conducting awareness campaigns and training programs, especially in schools and colleges, to educate women and young girls about these safety resources. For example, the Mumbai Police runs regular workshops on the Nirbhaya app, educating women on how to access emergency services quickly. The rise of technology driven solutions offers a promising path forward, providing tools that not only enhance personal security but also ensure rapid emergency response. The advancements in safety tech reflect a more informed and proactive approach to tackling safety challenges. It is evident that technology's role is fostering a safer environment that is evolving to meet the unique demands of Indian society. Look, awareness and informed use of technology are pivotal in the modern efforts to promote women's safety in India. By integrating these tools into daily practices and continuing to build awareness, we can create a safer society for all. The message is simple. Technology is here to help, but we need to be aware and informed to make it work. It's about integrating these tools into daily life. Because, as they say, prevention is better than downloading the app but forgetting how it works. Ultimately, it's not just about downloading the latest app. It's about making women's safety a priority, creating a culture where tech, awareness, and action come together. And who knows, maybe one day we'll actually live in a world where women can walk home at night without needing a whole tech support team.